What's going on, everybody? Today's game is going to be the Sprinter game, and I know the description hasn't been very filled with, the origins of the game for the past 2 or 3 games. So I'm for real. I can't find anything about them. People they just kind of describe the game, and I know that it's named Sprinter game. I know the name of the game. I know it's named Sprinter game. There's just nothing about it. There's nothing about this that I can find. It's always just an unblocked game. There's no Wikipedia article. And I did some digging, and I'm afraid I'll get a virus if I go on too many game websites. Well, I'm not going to get a virus from that, but never mind. Basically, Sprinter game is a very simple game. You use the left and right arrows in order to run, and you have to hit left, right, in that order as fast as you can. The faster you do it, the faster your player will move, and if you mess up, like you hit left twice or right twice, then you trip and fall, and that's all. So essentially, that's what we are up against now. Here we go. Let's click start and let's begin. So I'm not exactly sure how this is going to pan out, but we will put in the HTML tags, head tags, head. Oh, I haven't even been closing these. Past 2 of them I did not close. And we gotta do script, and I need to scroll in. Script type equals text / JavaScript src equals lib p5min.js script. There we go. I'm really not with the typing today. And we will reference sprintergame.js. Okay, so function setup, function draw. Within setup, we will say create canvas. What should it be? We'll try. No, it needs to be wider than it is tall. So we'll do 680, 460, something like that. I don't know what aspect ratio that is. But we will do, within the draw, we will say background 51, and let's test it. Cool, seems to work. I think it needs to be a little bit thinner, or less tall. There we go, that's more like it. So, we need to create a sprinter. So, a sprinter will be the player. A player will be a sprinter. We will go into Sprinter game. It's made in Asia, and there's nothing about it. This.y equals y. Now what we will do is pass in x, comma y. Actually, we should do a lane system. Yeah, let's just do a lane system, and we'll handle the drawing within Sprinter. So this dot lane equals lane. We also say this dot meters equals m. Well, this dot progress, this dot m equals m. Yeah, distance equals 0. Start off with 0, and that'll be good. Now what we need to do is also a this dot speed equals here we'll do max speed No, let's think about speed later. So we need to do sprinter.prototype.draw equals function. Let's put the semicolon. Let's make a few of these. This one will be update. This one will be run or something. I may or may not use this, but we'll see. So what we want to do is say the lane what? Let's draw some lanes. Function draw lanes. Oh, my bad. Okay, let's just move this. Draw lanes. There we go. That's all we needed. Shift tab that. Now what we'll do is say, we need a lane count. So if we do for var L equals 0, L is less than lanes, lanes.length L plus plus. Or sprinter. Sprinters.length. No lanes. We'll say lanes because we don't. Runners. Gosh, why am I like this? And what we will say is we don't really need a lane, do we? We don't need a lane. Okay. So what we will do is just say var runners equals an array, and we will push new runners. So say for var I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, we will say is, heck, I wanted, you see, we could draw the lanes and the runners at the same time. Draw field, really. Whatever, I'll just keep it like this. Runners dot push new sprinter. I do not have this named correctly. New sprinter, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we will say runners.length is fine. We'll put in a speed. Random 5. Random 5. Doesn't matter. This dot speed equals speed does not equal null. Here we'll just do speed right here. So if speed doesn't equal null, here we'll just say it equals speed, and we'll just set the speed equal to 0. Random 5 plus 1. This will be that var player. Yeah, runner. Yeah, runner. Whatever. So then we say runner equals new sprinter 0. We are going to pass in 0 for that. Within runners, well, really we need to push it into the runners array. There we go. Should be good now. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay. So in order to draw these, we are going to say runners of r dot draw. Within the draw function, we are going to pass their lane. So lane. We will work with that in a little bit. Now we need lines across the screen. So the way we are gonna do that is say, how are we gonna do that? Oh, do I have something to push? Huh, I have something to push. That's odd. I thought I pushed everything. Anyways, we will say line. Well, okay. So first we'll say stroke 255 stroke weight. You know what? I think we should do a track color. Track. Here we go. Let me get the best looking track. This looks like a decent track. Let's paste it. Let's get its value. Here we go. That's cool. Don't save. Stroke is going to be that. Stroke weight is going to be 2 or so. Yeah, okay. That'll be good. It won't be like a traditional track. You see how the lines are white? I want the lines to be the red color, and then the markers to be white. So if we do, if we say line at, the y is gonna have to stay the same, but we'll go from 0 to width, or okay, so 0 to x to width to x. Really, it should be a y, but I'm just using these as temporary variables. It's the same y, so we need to say, we do need to say var y equals, it would be runners, I think it would be r over runners dot length. No, it wouldn't because okay, if r is 0, that equals 0, that's fine. We need 2 lines. That's what I was confused about. So let's just do this. y1, y2, y1, y1, y2, y2. There we go. Let me move these. Lanes, there we go. Draw track. We're naming it draw track. That's what we're naming it. Okay, so runners that length. This isn't gonna work. Let me. Okay. Times height. We need to multiply it times height. Let's surround these in parentheses. There. Surround this also in parentheses. That'll be good. Let's try it. We have an error. File not found. Sprinter is not defined. Oh. Let's rename this. Sprinter. No, I meant to. My bad. Sprinter R. There we go. Cool. Now we have the lanes. As you can see, we have lanes. Yeah, we have perfectly awesome lanes. Let's just make the stroke weight more like 5. That's more like it. I really wish. Okay, here. Let's do height. Yeah, okay. Height minus 10 or something. Minus R. Minus R. That'll be good. Ah, shucks. We still don't get. Let's try 10. No, we still do not get the last one. I guess. Whatever. I think it should be fine. Okay. Let's change this. I'd like it back to like, let's do 3. Now if they would only do the bottom ones, I think that also would be nice. Well, no. Okay, well that didn't change anything. So let's try commenting this one out. Okay, that didn't change a thing at all. Oh. Wow, okay. I wasn't thinking, I apologize. It's going to be that over that, plus, and it's gonna have to be runners dot length, no, height over, here, var w equals, height over runners dot length. So that's how wide each lane is gonna have to be. So plus W, right? No? Plus W? Oh, it did give us that one. Fantastic. Okay, let's change it to 5. There we go. We do get the final one. We get the final line. That's all I was hoping for. We could try and subtract R from it, or let's just try this. I don't think that would do anything. We do get that, but nah, let's keep it like this. Looks much cleaner anyways. Okay, so we get this line, that's fine, everything's good. I really wish this line were up a tad more, but maybe that's because we don't have it as a multiple of, because we have 6 runners. Let's make it 8. Let's make it 8, because 680 over 8, right, is an even number. Or not an even number, but it comes out to a nice number. So if we do 7, that will be 9 runners, yep. So if we do 6, this will be 7, and then the last one will be 8. I'll just go for that, whatever. This looks completely fine. Let's lower the stroke, actually. Stroke 3, there, much nicer. We're good. We'll keep it like that. Now, when we draw the runners, I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna keep it static. In the real game, the camera follows you, but we could do that. Yeah, okay. We'll see what we do. So 4, not 4. In order to get the y coordinate, y equals, what does the y have to equal? We also need a var r. So var y is going to be equal to the, how do we get this number? If this is lane 0, we need to add half the height of each one. Let's make some of these constants, or global variables. Or we'll just do runners. We'll just go off of runners. Var y. No. So if we do w here, let's say w equals var w equals, no, just var w. So we'll do this. There we go. W equals height divided by runners dot length. W. So whatever it is, it's gonna be W over 2. So that's what it's gonna have to be. Because that will get us into the middle of the lane. And so what we need is lane times W plus W over 2. So let's wrap these in parentheses. And let's ellipse, let's say fill 255 ellipse at a random width x. This is something I'm here, we'll do width over 2. Okay, cool. So they are all in their own lanes, except dude, this looks pretty cool. So that looks fine. Stroke 255, stroke weight 2, and we will fill with color. This dot color. This dot c equals rcall. Oop, there we go. Function rcall. Return color random 255. There. Oop. No, didn't mean to do that. Nice. Cool. Okay, so now they're one specific color. I'm liking it. I do not like. Wow, they all look rainbow. Or is that just me? It may just be me. Yo, maybe I found an illusion. Maybe jittering circles makes it seem like they've got some sort of gradient. Because they all look that way. Unless I'm just getting crazy lucky with the... They all look like they fade into each other. There's gotta be something. Okay, well, obviously when... I'm pretty sure it's an illusion. Yo! Let's... Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll test out this illusion on my own time. Some other time. R, we don't need R because we figured out that it's width over 2. We figured out the lane. Now all we need is, instead of random width, we need this dot distance. There we go. They all start at 0. Really, I want it to be, I want some padding on that. Well, no, okay. We need to translate to them. Yeah, we need to translate to them. We need to know who is who, really. I guess what we could do is say, I guess they can all be one color and have your color a designated color. So you will always be the one off color. So let's give them a color. Let's pass in a C variable equals C. We'll just copy this function over into our Sprinter game class, or yeah, class, I guess, file. So we say rcall, and now what we will say, wait, we need, okay, we can't simply say, okay, var C equals rcall. What I'll do is just pass in C for now. So which one is us? We're this one. Really, we want it in like the middle lane. So maybe we'll just say push runner math dot floor. I forgot the name. Runners dot length over 2. We always want it to be that specific one. Cool. We pushed it, but did it override it? We want to add it, right? Oh, you know what I think it did? Oh, okay. Push to array JavaScript. Let's see. Can we give it a... Oh snap, those were some loud cracks. Can we say at a specific index? At index. How to insert at a specific index. So I guess we can just say, oh, okay, so we splice it. Oh wait. r.join, what does that mean? r.join. Anyways, let's try doing dot splice. This is where the math.floor should go. That's the index. We want it to be that, and we want it to be the runner that gets passed in. There we go. Okay, so now we have the runner in the middle lane. That is you. That looks very... Yeah, maybe the random function is just generating colors that seem to complement one another. Alrighty. So, yeah, we're just going to, we're not going to translate. Because I think you would be discombobulating if you're constantly like, I don't know, it'll end up so that everybody's just kind of in the middle. And I think it would look weird since our pixels, I don't know, the graphics of this, they're just so silly that it'd be silly to translate. So run, we are going to say, oh, I don't know if we should handle this within Sprinter, though we can try. So we will say update. We need this dot distance plus equals speed. Let's just try that. So we don't update them. Runners of R dot update. Whoa. Update, speed is not defined. This dot speed. Oh, goodness. How long has it been since I've made that mistake? Okay, so now you see that. Okay, we want them... Oh, wow. This looks cool. I'm enjoying watching these. Okay, okay, sorry. What we'll do is we will say, we have the color, we have the distance. What we will say is, finished. We'll say finished. No, because then it's just a simple, this, like, okay. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a run method. And we will say, key, right? Key, I guess? Okay. Anyways, okay, we're going for it. So, what we're gonna say is, what do we need to say? Key. We could say, okay, here. This is simple. This is very simple. This dot priv key equals null. It's gonna equal null for now. And we will say if, we'll just say this dot priv key does not equal null. We'll just check that for now. Else. So what we will say is, we'll create a function on key press. Function key, or key pressed. Yeah, I think it's key pressed. Console.log key code. There we go. Let's try it. 3739. So 37 plus 39 is 76. So what we need to check for is if this dot prev key is not equal to key and this dot prev key plus key equals 76. So it's adding up the two things. And we will just say speed plus equals 1. And with an update, we will say speed times equals, what's up Tyler, how are you doing? We will make them slow down. If prev key equals null, we're gonna say speed plus equals 1 anyways, since it's their first keystroke. And then we're gonna say this will obviously, okay. Oh, wow. I sometimes have that happen. This dot prev key equals key. There we go. We don't need any of these brackets. I don't know why, but I really enjoy not having the brackets. Okay. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. There we go. Okay. We'll just kind of move this. You know what? I am gonna have the brackets around these. Yeah, I'll keep the brackets. I don't know why. Whatever. So if it doesn't equal null, then we do that, and then we do this, and then we set the key equal to the previous key. And what we need to do now, dot run is not a function. Speed is not defined. This dot speed. Wow. This dot speed. This dot speed. Cool. Speed is not defined with an update. Right. I wasn't thinking. Oh, okay. So we have this kind of we have this error. So we're saying speed equals such and such, and we want to keep that constant. I guess we can say because we need one variable when the player is playing. We need another variable when the computers are playing. So we need to say we need a way to check if it's a player so that we don't delete the speed, but there's got to be a better way to do this. Okay, so if we have these runners, let's see if we move. We do not move. Why don't we move? So our player doesn't like to move. Right. Key pressed. Okay. Runner dot run key code. There we go. That's what I meant to do. And as you can see, we are allowed to move. Yes, we do need momentum. So we need an else statement. Oh, that's nice. I didn't even need the, didn't even need to put in the effort to put in the brackets. We will say this dot speed plus equals 1, else this dot speed equals 0. So we say plus equals 5. Huh, okay. Cool, okay. So, we need a momentum. We do need a momentum. This dot momentum equals 0. Or this one is what speed should equal. Speed should equal this, or speed should equal 0. Momentum should equal speed. We will say this dot momentum times equals 0.7. This dot speed plus equals, really momentum is just the velocity aspect of it. This dot speed equals 0. We're gonna set it to 0. So that's fine. And what we want, we actually want this dot momentum plus equals this dot speed. Yeah, okay. And then we want to add this dot momentum, right? No, okay, so essentially what I'm wanting to do is velocity. We don't want this type of stuff. We want this dot distance to add velocity. That's the basic. So then we have speed. We want to add the velocity, and we then want velocity. Oh, my bad. I would have just this dot velocity times equals 0.7. Really this might want to be like 9.5, and then we want to say this dot velocity plus equals this dot speed. There we go. We have an arbitrary. Whoa. Okay, yeah. So they get a boost. Maybe I need to do this. Okay, okay. So I see what's wrong. So we say run. We need this dot speed to equal 0 after all. Okay, cool. That looks good. And we don't move. Okay. So this is what we need to do. This dot speed equals 0. This dot vel equals 0. We need to do all of that. There we go. Yeah, okay. So if you mess up, then you get stopped in your tracks. There we go. Cool. So that's good. And then we need a cooldown. I think. I think we just need a cooldown. Now I want the speed to not be so much. Speed plus equals to something like that. Speed plus equals 1. Cool. Yeah, okay. I think that should be good. I want to be able to garner more momentum, although. Plus equals this dot velocity plus 1. That's what we'll do. In order to get... Okay, well, that kind of... we go off of... I don't want that much momentum. Velocity over 2 plus 1 over 2. Oh, snap. There. We still get that crazy... See, I do... Here, okay. This is what we'll do. We'll just constrain the velocity. So you'll say... if this dot velocity... Okay, here. This dot velocity equals this dot velocity greater than 5 or something, then we will just say 5. Otherwise this dot velocity. So that's constraining it. Okay, so our problem is that we reach the terminal velocity too quick. So that's where we could like say 0.5. I'd like it to be slower, like we slowly gain. Cool. Okay, well then velocity here, let's multiply it by 99. Cool. So that's that, although I'd like it to be greater than like 8. Let's try 8. Okay, so it's kind of odd how this is working right now. If we do like 0.01, will that make it better? So this is odd, how it's just kind of... Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's just slowing the the it's just slowing the buildup. So what we need is to say, here, we'll just say velocity plus 1. I'd like it to go slower. Okay. Because there's not too much with the, here, let's do 0.01. Let's just do 0.1 for now. Velocity, the max velocity is going to be, multiply it by that. We'll make this like 3. See, we reached the max velocity too quick. Or we don't reach it too quick, there's just nothing, there's just no, there isn't any, what's it called? How do you say it? There isn't too much of a gap. Because you hit it a few times, and then you're like, and I guess it's because we're adding to the full velocity. Really, we could see, because we can't go any faster than that. If we could, we're gonna draw the velocity. Ellipse, text, this dot distance, y, yeah, that's fine. So we will say, this dot velocity, and what we will say is text size 20. There we go. So we reach it instantly. So how do we reach it instantly? They're like slowly going down. See, I want you to be able to, I want the race to essentially just last longer. If we do, what if we did, like, divided by 100? Divided by 100. Ah. See, now you can go faster. It sounds crazy the way I click, but let's see. Stream started today more. Yes, it did, and I apologize. You see, now it's harder to get to the max speed. There we go. That's what I was hoping for. Let's make it a little bit more difficult. So that's what this is. Okay, yeah, okay, that's exactly what I was going for. Although we need to make sure, here, let's stop drawing the velocity. Nah, I messed up. There we go. That's exactly what I was going for. We need speed to be somewhere really low. Random, like, 0.2 plus 0.1, like that. And what we need to do then is say speed equals 0. Well, alrighty, I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe Twitter or something would check that or something like that. So now we need to make sure that we have like a stamina variable and everything. We could technically run them, make them run. And so we wouldn't have to mess with any speed functions. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that, actually. There we go. We only need to pass in the color now. Cool. And now we will just make them run. That's what we will do. Runners. So, function, dang it, now it's not, okay, yeah, I have an idea. Function run. We'll just say run. Kind of reminds me of that one song. So for, I'll just copy this for loop. There, home, there. Okay, cool. If R, good night, see you later. Thanks for joining. Yeah, I will check it out, and yeah, thank you. So, if this happens, if it's equal to runner, then continue. Else, we actually want to get them to run. So, runners of R dot run. Yes, there we go. I feel like run stride. So we will say 76 minus runners of R dot prep key. There we go. That should be it. If random, you see, now we need, if random, I'd like a chance variable, var skill. This dot skill equals, okay, so the higher the number, the higher the skill. We will put a variable like that. And what we will say is 0 for now, or here is 0 because we don't even need the skill for that. That runner has 0 skill. And really we don't need to mess with this. We can say if random is less than skill, or runners of R dot skill. That's all we have to do, and it won't run the player. Doesn't matter what other part it is. So let's see. We'll say random 0.5 plus 0.4. So they're not going to be perfect. Oh gosh, they are perfect. Okay, well, they are very good. Let's try like 0.3 plus 0.4. Okay, they are fantastic because they are going 60 times a second. Stride. We could say we want it to be human-like. If, yeah, no, let's not limit it by the frame count. Let's just limit it by that. Okay, what's the maximum velocity we can get to? Let's just try 0.1 plus 0.1. Oh gosh. Okay, so now it's possible. Okay, I came in second. Okay, let's time it. I'm not exactly sure. Here, we will just go off of the system time. We are at 35. Oh, am I gonna get first? Dang it. First place in how many seconds? 6 seconds, I think that was? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that was pretty pitiful. What I want to do is make it more like the actual runners. So what I want to do is say we have this. We need to make the keystrokes slightly less potent. Now by that I mean we want to decrease by how much we add to the speed. Okay, I need a timer. I need a stopwatch. What we'll do is say var start time equals, no, we'll just say start time. Start time equals, how do we do it? JavaScript get time. Get time. Okay, why is it not wanting to, so what's up? I don't know. I don't understand. Get time method. d.get time. We'll just say new date dot get time. Okay, cool. Does this update? Cool, it does. That's fascinating. Now we want to say, we want to give the runner, we want to draw their time. So really, if when we draw them, we are going to say if this dot distance is greater than width, then we will say this dot finished equals true. We will say this dot finished is false. So that's something we will do, and we will say we will also draw. Oh, you know what? It'll be update. We'll just say if this dot finished, then return. Else we'll say this dot finished equals distance greater than width. There we go. Don't have to mess with anything else. So if that's good, we now just need to say if this dot finished, we also have to put this dot distance. If this dot finished, then we are going to write their time. So now this dot time equals 0, or 100 or something. No, 0. We're making it 0. So else that happens, and we say if this dot finished. So now if this dot finished, here we'll just say, there we go. We'll just say if this dot finished. If this comes out to be true, then we say this. We get their time. So we say this dot time equals start time equals new date dot get time minus start time. Start time. There we go. I don't know if I should. I'm gonna see how it looks with no. Okay, yeah, maybe I think I do need these. There we go. That's good. Tab that one over. Cool. This looks good. Now, if this got finished, then we draw their time. So we say text size, width. Let's try that. No stroke. Fill 255. And what we want to say is, what we want to say is text align left, and then we do text. So then we do this dot time over 1000. Here, we'll say this dot to fixed to. That just kind of organizes it a little bit better. And now what we say is the y, obviously, but we want the width minus 10 or something, width minus w, and then y. So let's try that. Let's see how they fare. Goodness, they're fast. They're not impossible. That's a good thing. Okay, here. So that worked. We just have the text size too big. Oh, I messed it up. Okay. Minus, here, let's get rid of this minus width. Because it should be, I don't know why it's, goodness. Okay, well now it's not. Oh, it needs to be right aligned. I always mess this up. Oh gosh. There we go. Okay. 7.52? Sheesh. No need to be that quick. But 10 seems fine. I'd like it to be 0.075. I'd like it to be a little bit less than that. 7. Like, since they can get crazy times, I'd like it to be a little bit, better. You see, this guy, they're really booking it. Sheesh. 7.54. Yeah, we're still able to get the crazy numbers. Let's see what we get. We... 25. Come on. First place. Come on. No, I messed it up. Oh, it's a bar. Okay. Seems like we need to randomize it a little bit less. We will do 0.75. Because I think the crazy fast ones are... Nope, that one's crazy fast. Oh, come on. Yes, first place. Yes, that's what's up. I'm happy now. I got first place. Okay. So... Awesome. Awesome. I think that's all. Really. I can't think of anything left. Yeah, that's all I got. You can easily tell what time you got, which is a nice thing. Let me just go here and say, let's draw it a little bit better. Width minus W. W there. Yeah. There we go. No. Okay, well. The difficulty went down. Ah, that's a bummer. I need to win now. .68. I'll take it. Now let's try and use two hands. Okay, well that was fast. Okay, well I mean we're finished with the game. That's the thing. I wish. Yeah, let's lower this real quick and see if we can get more realistic times. Come on. No, I messed it up. Aw, that's sad. Okay, well, those are more realistic times. Okay, let's see. I'd like to run a bunch of tests. Just, see, that momentum actually does do a lot. 11.58. I think 0.5 is a little bit too much. Or a little bit too less. Come on. Oh gosh, I'm really bad at this. 12. Yeah, I think it's a little bit too much. Okay, yeah. Enough of that. 0.055, maybe? You know what, let's try 6. Yes. No, you're not winning. No! No. That's sad. I keep losing. Okay. No. Go. I keep losing. This is horrible. Okay. Oh, dude. Okay, you know what? This is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. Going to Razor, and we're saying here, we're saying plus. You know what? It doesn't matter. Yes, American flag. We're going for the American flag. It's the different patterns on my keyboard. Record delay. I don't care what it's named. Recording. There. No. Delete that one. Okay. Save. Okay. Assigned key. No, not toggle. Play while assigned keys pressed. Yes! Yes! 4.22. We win. Okay. Oh gosh. Awesome. We're winning and we're faster than Usain Bolt. We're 2 times faster than he is. 4.14. Let's try it again. 4.13. 3.98. 3.88. 3.89. Okay, yeah. You get the point. I'm gonna delete this because there's really no need for that type of macro. Yeah. Okay, I need to beat this legitimately. And then we are ending this stream. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Okay, we're winning. We're winning. We're winning. No! I already had that though. Ah, that's so sad. I had it. Oh wow! It's always the very end. Ah. Come on. No! 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 I was like half the width of my person. Oh, come on. Oh, why do I seize up? This is pitiful. Okay. Oh, this is such a bummer. Okay, I'm going for a different strategy. Okay, now I can take my time. Or can I? Nope. Why did I? Okay, what I need to do is get a lead. Oh my gosh. Ah. Ah. No, I lost the lead. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Maybe we need to tone down the bots. Ah. Why am I so bad at this? Why are the bots so good at this? Ah. Oh gosh. No. Okay. Thumbs? Maybe thumbs will work better. Ah. I'm so bad at this. Oh man. Stop going so fast, bot. Oh. This is such a struggle. Okay. Last try. Last try. I had messed it up. Dude. No, I was so close that time. Okay, I think the idea is I think I need to trade off. Okay. Heck. Yeah, what I need to do is trade off. No! This is gonna be the thumbnail, everybody. I'm doing this for the thumbnail. Okay. Oh. Wow, I'm like cramping. Okay. Okay, yeah, my hand is getting really tired. Let's do this. This is hopeless. Yeah, okay, that's what I need to do. Okay, what I need to do is trade off of using one hand and two hands. So, I will always end off on that. Ah. Okay. Wow. Yeah, what I need to do, since I cramp halfway through it, is trade off between two hands and one hand. I just have to make sure that when I trade off, I don't mess things up. Why is it doing this to me? I need that one lucky run. Come on. No. Hey, look at my time. Okay. This is infuriating. I like cramp up and tense. Okay, no. Heck, I was really close that time. Dang it. Ah. Okay, hang on. Dang it. No, 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 I had it. No! Oh, I was so close. So close. Ah. Ah. Okay, hang on. Dang it. Okay, I'm doing this. Every time I look at the screen, I lose. That's the thing here. Wow! Wow! I was so close. I'm gonna break my keys. That's what I'm doing right now. Oh man. I got close that time. Okay. Oh, I messed it up. I messed it up. That would have been a really good one though. Okay. Ah. No! I know, I realized it right as I pressed it twice. Shucks. They're too fast. Ah. Okay. Yes! Got it! Yes! I win! Yay! I'm really happy now. I'm really happy. That's the thumbnail. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, y'all. Hope you've enjoyed. I will see you guys Monday for the stream. And play the game if you want to be infuriated. But I won. That's all that matters. Oh, wait. You guys couldn't even see half the time. I apologize. But I won. I won. Here. I'll show. There you go. I won it. I won it. Yeah. Okay. It really doesn't mean a thing, but whatever. I'll see you guys later. Peace.